Jesus is the God who weeps with us and who suffered for us to solve our weeping. He weeps with them because he sees and knows and experiences the pain of that loss, of that brokenness. He knows what happened in the garden. He knows what's still yet to come. And yet he is the God who walks into this flesh. He is God incarnate who walks with us through this life. And he sees this pain and he weeps with us. But he is the God who is on his way to the cross, the tomb, and out the other side. He is the God who suffers for us in our place. And it is his suffering and his resurrection and his power that will solve all our weeping.